Hello everyone. Welcome to Clarity 16.3.2 Feature Supportability Training. I'm Santosh Panchali and I'm a product manager of Clarity. In this session, we'll review a capital forecasting feature that introduces a new option to include actuals from children in budget and cost plans. So, what's new in this release? Budget and cost plans are now provided with a new option to include actuals from children. As we know, by default, the plan details page can display actual related fields like actual cost, actual units, and actual revenue, which are directly entered for that particular investment only. However, when this option is used, the plan details page can display aggregated totals for the actual related fields, that is, the rolled up values from both the self investment as well as from all its linked children investments. And the reason this is important is it significantly improves capital forecasting process. By enabling the roll-up of actual costs from children investments to their parent investments budget and cost plans, organizations achieve a comprehensive view of the total expenditure. This holistic financial picture supports more informed capital planning decisions, accurate ROI analysis, and effective resource allocation. Let's review this functionality through a short demonstration. I'm logged into Clarity and I'm on the cost plans page. A new attribute, include actuals from children, has been added to budget and cost plans, which is unchecked by default and can be checked or toggled on as needed. This is provided as a standard attribute, that is, it can be used in filtering, sorting, and grouping. Note that this attribute is available in Administration Attributes page, allowing it to be secured, relabeled, and added with any tooltip information. When this toggle is enabled on a budget or a cost plan, the actuals displayed in the budget or cost plan details will represent an aggregated total of actuals. This total includes the actuals posted directly to the investment plus all actuals rolled up from its linked children investments. Let us review this in detail. Here, I am using this investment hierarchy page to depict the parent-child relationships between these various investments. Like, Able Payments Module investment has a child investment called Minimal Online Shopping Release 4.0, which in turn has two more children investments, DPM Loan App and Digital Banking User Experience. Each of these have actuals posted on them and can be seen here like this, and here, and here, and lastly here. Now let us look at the investment at the topmost level, which is Able Payments module. When we check one of its cost plans, say Financial Plan V2, we can see the actuals reflecting those posted directly on the investment. Make a note that it displays these numbers like 321K for February and around 520K as grand totals. Now, let's turn on the new option on this plan to include actuals from children. Note that when this attribute is updated, we need to make sure that the update financial plan actuals and forecast job is run so that the actuals are up to date on the cost plan. Let's run the job. Now, when we navigate to the cost plan details, you can notice that the actuals have increased from previously what we saw, as they now include those from all the children investments as well. Clicking on the drill down on any of these numbers would actually list down all the transactions, including those contributing from the children investments, as can be seen here. This concludes the session on capital forecasting feature that introduces a new option to include actuals from children in budget and cost plans. Thank you.